I have a friend. Her name's Amy. Actually, I'm her mentor. At least that's what she says, and I guess that's true. But some years ago, we were chatting about any number of things, and at one moment I had this epiphany, and I said to her, Amy, be like the sunflower. Turn your face to the light. And she laughed at me, and then she stopped, and she said that was an extraordinarily good idea. I was recently talking to a biologist about this, and he said that what actually happens in the sunflower is the cells in the stalk contract or expand based on the heat, and that causes the sunflower to track the sun until day is done, and then it reverts back to where it will be in the morning. It is an extraordinary thing in the natural world. And that reminded me of something from a group called White Eagle, a sort of psycho-spiritual group in the UK. They say this: when you're in the swamp of life, never take your eyes off the sun. It's that light which will bring you through. All of a sudden, Amy's love of the idea made perfectly good sense to me, and I've been using that metaphor ever since, because you think about it, it really does make sense. Keep your face to the light.